Hi, my name's Ian and welcome to the channel. If you've not been here before, and if you have been here before, then welcome back. We've just come back from a 2-week cruise where we sailed around the Canary Islands twice and also went up to Funchal and Madeira twice as well. So basically we sort of sailed around the Canary Islands twice really in 2 weeks. And during that we went to many different places, and I've shot quite a bit of video footage of that, so I thought I would put it out into some separate videos just in case you're interested in it. We actually went on the Marella Explorer, which is a TUI ship. Now I've not really shot very much footage of that at all, as there's plenty of videos out on YouTube of people doing ship tours of that particular boat, so I've not done any of that, but what I've done is just videoed what we've got up to while we've been off the ship itself. And this will be sort of coming out over the next few weeks, so hopefully you can see some nice warm weather while you're sat in the cold sitting at home. So the places we went to was La Gomera, so there's a place called San Sebastian on La Gomera. We went to Funchal and Madeira, Arrecife in Lanzarote, Puerto del Rosio in Fuerteventura, Las Palmas in Gran Canaria, Santa Cruz in Tenerife, and Santa Cruz in La Palma. Now some of those places, as I said, we visited twice. The only ones we didn't visit twice was La Gomera and La Palma. But the rest of them, in fact at Funchal and Madeira we actually spent 3 days there, all in all, but obviously got up to separate things on those different days. So the first part of the video I'm going to chuck at the end of this that I'm doing now. So that will basically be the flight from Birmingham across to Tenerife, which is where we started the cruise from. And also in that as well is going to be some sort of snippets of some of the bits and bobs we got up to while we were there. So anyway, sit back, enjoy the flight, and I'll see you soon in the next one, which will probably come out in a few days' time. Cheers. So what does it do? Chucks it down with rain. At least it's warm rain. So Leanne, where are we going today?
Madeira.
Oh yeah, but where are we going now?
Up the cable car.
And what we're going to do when we get up to the top?
Come down in a toboggan.
Really? I can't complain at this. It's about 23 degrees, Lanzarote in December. Couldn't get better than this. Oh, we're cycling a bit further out now into the countryside, aren't we? It's quite a nice landscape around here. Going to be hitting our first biggish hill now on these e-bikes, so that's going to be interesting to see how well we get up it. I mean, normally on a bike in the UK you're thinking, oh my god, it's a hill coming, and you're panting and out of breath by the time you get to the top, so yeah, it's going to be very interesting, this bit. This is absolutely idyllic. A fine way to spend a Sunday afternoon with my beautiful wife. Look, there she is in the picture. You all right there, Leah? You okay? She doesn't like steep drops. No. I love them. Just walking now down back towards the boat. Absolutely beautiful day again here. It's about 21, 22 degrees. Sun's out, a bit breezy, but lovely. Some tiny little lizards just down here. Well, good morning. Today you join us on a cycle tour in Funchal, Madeira. This is our second day here on the second week of a cruise. We've already been here for one day last week. So I thought we'd take the opportunity of a bike ride today. So yeah, I don't think it's going to be too energetic, but hopefully we'll get some hills to climb up to work off my breakfast. There you go. Hello. The hands are going to be driving. Well, today is the 17th of December, and walking down the seafront here in Santa Cruz, La Palma. Oh. And it's about 27 degrees and it's baking. Am I complaining? Not at all. Ooh. She's chatting at the locals. So Leanne, what's the pirate's favourite letter of the alphabet?
Would that be R?
It might be. What does a pirate say when he sees a nice furry animal?
R.
What does a pirate say when you stamp on his feet?
R. That's a bit chorus. That was like a crow.
Well, perhaps he does. What does a pirate say when you kick him in the gonads?
R.
Well, we seem to be doing many selfies of ourselves today, so that's just waving down there. Yeah, that's a selfie. This place is lovely around here. As I said earlier, a minute ago, you turn a corner and you just see something more. And what's really novel is this down here. And obviously somebody lives in this little place here, and they got a little fishing boat just hanging off the end there, ready to go. But there's crabs absolutely everywhere around here. I've never seen so many crabs in a really bright, vibrant red colour. Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, Leanne's found a man now. She likes one with nice butt cheeks. Oh yeah.